Here is a Nissan Altima. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a panel. Put a couple of fingers in there and pull it out. Now inside there is all the fuses, and underneath the cover is the fuse diagram that we're going to reference throughout the video. First thing, get that fuse puller tool at the bottom there. Get that tool out. Now we are going to pull the fuse for the interior lights. That's the one in the top left corner as highlighted in the diagram. Just pull that fuse, look at the center part of it. If it's broken, mine is a good fuse. If yours is a bad fuse and center parts can be broken, and that's very likely what the problem is. And the good news is we have a 10 amp spare fuse with us. So what we'll do now is get the spare fuse, the one that's highlighted there. Check that the center part of this is not broken. And if that is good, we'll just put it back in the original position of the interior lamp fuse, and that should very likely solve your problem. And once you are done, just put this panel back on, click it, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.